How to make a simple and quick egg curry. If you have less time and need a tasty egg curry, just try this recipe for a quick and tasty egg curry. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. After mustard seeds spluttering, keep it low flame. Now add half inch size chopped ginger, 4 chopped garlics, 3 chopped green chilies. Saute it for 1 minute on low flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add 3 chopped onions, 1.5 teaspoon salt. Saute it for 5 minutes until it becomes light golden color. After 5 minutes, add 1.5 chopped tomato. Mix it well. Saute it for 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, keep it low flame before adding the masalas. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon Kashmiri Chilli powder, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, 2 sprig of curry leaves. Mix it well for a minute. Saute on low flame. Add 1 cup of hot water. Mix it well. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After 5 minutes, add 1 cup of coconut milk and mix for a minute. Don't boil after adding coconut milk. Now add 4 boiled eggs cut into halves. Close the lid. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, switch off the flame. Quick egg curry is ready. Serve it after 30 minutes for best taste.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.